I'm doing an unboxing of this Radiance and Romance jewelry that I received. So it comes in this neat little box and it's very securely packaged. When you take it out, it has this really cute bow and it's tied in ribbon, and you can't maybe tell, but this is like a little card with like a nice message from Lauren. And then this is the box. It's one of those like nice boxes that you can like keep your jewelry in or use for traveling. And nice tissue paper and stuff on the inside. When you open it up, see, it's a beautiful necklace made out of wood and some metal. And the metal is hand painted. You can't necessarily tell, like electricity. So each one is unique, which is really cool. And see, when it catches the light, then it really pops because of that. So one thing that I really like about this piece is that it's super lightweight, and because I live a super active lifestyle, as you guys all know, I can't wear anything that's not lightweight because I'm just gonna take it off and lose it. So I had her make it a shorter length for me so that way I can do downward facing dog in it without it getting caught on my chin. But another thing that I really like about it is just how easy it is to wear. Like, you could like immediately forget about it.